In this question, it is given that the statement P and negation Q or negation P is equivalent to, you have to find the correct choice. For doing this question, I am going to use distributive law, and distributive law says that if A, B, C are three statements, then A and B or C is equivalent to A and B or A and C. And one more is A or B and C is A or B and A or C. You must remember these two formulas. Hence, writing it as negation P or P and negation Q, I get negation P or P and negation P or negation Q. Negation P or P is clearly a tautology, and tautology and any statement is same as that statement. That is, I get negation P or negation Q. Hence, I can say second choice is correct choice. Actually, this question could be done with the help of magical method also or set theory also, but already it is very easy. Therefore, I have preferred to do this question by this way.